In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year end date in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, updating the fiscal year end is a crucial task. It ensures that your financial reports align with your unique business calendar, and in Xero, the process is pretty straightforward. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account and navigate to the settings of your chosen company. If you're working in a demo company, you'll find this option readily available. Once you're in the settings, look for the Accounting tab. Clicking on this will drop down several options, but the one we're interested in today is Accounting Settings. Continuing on, once you're in the Accounting Settings, you'll find an option labeled Financial Settings. These settings control fundamental aspects of your accounting work in Xero. Click on this option to proceed. Now, you're getting closer to the action. Within the Financial Settings section, you'll see a button labeled Change. Go ahead and click this. It's here that you can modify the fiscal year particulars. The next step might appear a bit unusual at first. You'll see a number, typically a 1, which represents the start month of your fiscal year. Click on this number to set your preferred start month. This choice affects your entire financial year structure, so if you're changing your business's fiscal year, be sure to choose carefully. Clicking on the start month's name, which in many scenarios might default to January, gives you a drop-down menu to select the month that corresponds to when you want your fiscal year to end. This choice might match your business's busiest or slowest season, depending on your strategy. Once you've settled on the month, look for the Done button and hit that to confirm your selection. Now, a key aspect of managing accounts is understanding if they operate on an accrual basis, and this is indicated here. Click on Highlight to get more insight or make adjustments if necessary. Following this, you're looking for the accrual basis selection. This option pertains to how transactions are recorded, often critical for accurate financial reporting. Ensure everything is set according to your needs. Finally, don't forget to hit Save to lock in all the changes you've made. It's crucial to secure these updates so they reflect in all financial reports moving forward. After saving, your new fiscal year settings will be in place, marking a new chapter in your financial records management within Xero. That's how you change the fiscal year end date in Xero. I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to return to this video anytime you need a quick refresher on this process. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!